Hi everyone, I'm Sophie from Supplies for Candles, and today I'm going to show you how to make wax melts using our very own brand Parasoy Melt Wax. Parasoy Melt Wax is biodegradable, vegan-friendly and cruelty-free. It's a blend of soy wax, paraffin wax and vegetable wax and is so easy to use. To make a Parasoy wax melt, you will need a set of weighing scales, a glass or heat-proof bowl, a pouring jug, a thermometer, a pan, a hob or hot plate, your chosen mould and some fragrance oil. Parasoy wax comes in 10K slabs and can be easily chiselled off or split in half. Step 1, melt your wax. I've chosen our snap bar clamshell today and this holds around 50 grams of wax. I've already pre-weighed this out and I will now transfer this into my pan. I'm going to heat this to around 80 degrees Celsius and use my thermometer to monitor the temperature of the wax. Make sure your wax does not exceed 80 degrees Celsius as this may affect the quality and colour of the wax. With our wax now melted, it is time to add our fragrance oil. I've already decanted my wax into my pouring jug and I've chosen my favourite fragrance oil from Supplies for Candles. I have pre-weighed my fragrance oil and I have about 6% here. Our Parasoy wax is specifically designed to hold a high level of fragrance oil, however 6% is a really good starting point. I can see our wax is now cooled to pouring temperature, so it's time to add our fragrance oil. As I add my fragrance oil, I will stir thoroughly but gently to ensure the wax and fragrance oil blend well to create a strong scent throw. With our fragrance and wax combined, it is now ready to add our mixture to the mould. My mould is clean and dry, so I will gently pour my wax into the mould, ensuring there are no air bubbles. Our Parasoy Melt Wax is quick setting and doesn't require any additional treatment or pouring, making it great to work with. For the final step, allow your wax melt to cure for up to 2 weeks for an optimal scent throw. We hope you enjoy making your Parasoy wax melts and we can't wait to see your creations. Don't forget to tag us at Supplies for Candles and hashtag SFCFeatureMe and My Parasoy Wax Melt.